Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to do collaboration on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to invite a particular Instagram user to your post, it could be video and it could be photos on Instagram, then you just need to invite the person as collaborator. To do this, go ahead and open the Instagram application, sign into your account, click on the plus button and then go ahead and select the photo you want to post or the video you want to post on Instagram. So just go ahead, scroll through the profile or your photos and then select the post, click on next. Once you've selected the photo or video, go ahead and click on next at the top right and then click on next again. Then before you post the photo or video on Instagram, you need to tag the person you want to collaborate with on Instagram by clicking on tag people. Then you should see hashtag invite collaborator. So in this case, go ahead and click on invite collaborator. Select the collaborator, invite again, then search for another name. So you can add as many as possible collaborator to your post or video on Instagram. Once you search for it, if the name is available, just go ahead and select the name. And I should see all your collaborator like this. Then go ahead and click on the top right. Then if you go ahead and click on preview, you'll be able to see the video or the photo. Now go ahead and click on the share button. Once you hit the share button, these people will be tagged to the post under collaborators on your Instagram video. And then that is it. So that's exactly how to do a collaboration on Instagram. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.